The weather changes fast in Florida. 45 minutes later, went from that to this.
I feel like a big strike's coming right here in the backyard. Bam! Told you, that was right there. That was literally just a couple blocks away. Next one's us. Big one. Yep. Told you, we're gonna get hit. Bringing the heat tonight. Ooh! This is probably the worst one we've had. Whoa! This is bad. This feels like missiles coming down. It's about as close to a war zone feeling you're ever gonna feel without any bullets. With all due respect to the men. Oh, nice one. Here it comes. I mean, that just shakes the ground. Everything shakes. Oh, Nelly. Sketchy one tonight. Definitely bringing the heat.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what it looks like when lightning strikes just feet away from you.
Oh! Dude, that just hit our tree. That just hit our tree. Oh! I think it's time to go inside.
The title was Beauty and the Beast. The Beast went by, and the beauty came next. Mother Nature just puts on the best shows in the sky. It's the most awesome force on earth. There's nothing like it. And living here in Florida, you get the most Mother Nature has to offer.